Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3, we are starting exercise 13.2, which is a timetable. Question 1. This timetable shows a day on holiday for Ikra. Use it to find the length of each activities. So here is her timetable and we are trying to solve following question. Let's get started. First, we have to denote which segment she will stay how many time. First arrive 10:15 a.m. Play games 10:45 a.m. to 12:15. So here is how many time? Look, 10:45 a.m. to here is 12:15 p.m. So if we add 15 minutes, so here will be 11, right? And 11 to 12, here is 1 hour. So 11 to 12, 1 hour, here is 15 minutes, and here is 12 to 12:15, another 15 minutes. So total here is 130 minutes. Okay. Next, eat lunch. Here is 12:15 to 1:15. It means 1 hour. We can write in here like 1 hour 30 minutes. Next, 1:30 to 2:40, 15. So 1:30, once we add 30 minutes, it will become 2. Again add 15 minutes, so it will be 45 minutes. 2:15 to 3 p.m. it means here is a 45 minutes. And 3:15 she will leave. Now our question, what time did Ikra arrive? So arrive 10:15 a.m. Next, what time did she leave? Leave 3:15 p.m. Okay. Next, how long did she stay? Stay, look, starting 10:15 and leave 3:15. So 10:15, once we add 45 minutes, it will be 11. So 11 to 12, 1 hour, 12 to 1 p.m., 12 also p.m., another 1 hour, 2 p.m., another 1 hour, 3 p.m., another 1 hour. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is a 45 minute and here is 15 minute because 3:15. So 45 minute plus 15 minute, it's another 1 hour. 60 minute mean 1 hour. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 45 minute plus 15, 1 hour. So total 5 hour. Stay 5 hour. Which activity lasted for 1 hour? Look, eat lunch lasted 1 hour. So we can say eat lunch lasted 1 hour. Time was 12:15 to 1:15 p.m. So eat lunch lasted an hour, right? Next question, name an activity that lasted more than an hour. So which one is more than 1 hour? Play games, which is 130 minutes. So we can say play game lasted more than an hour, which is 10:45 a.m. to what, 12:15 p.m. Okay, now name an activity that lasted less than an hour. So less than an hour, which is two activities, right? First one is a walk and then another one is swim. So we can say two activities has lasted less than an hour. First one is what? Walk, which is 1:30 p.m. to 2:15, which is 45 minutes. Another one is swim. Swim 2:15 to 3 p.m. This one also 45 minutes. Okay. So number D done. And we have also another question of from that table, for how long did Ikra walk? So walk already mentioned, it's a what? Less than 1 hour, walk 45 minutes. So we can write in here walk 45 minutes. If you want, you can mention the time, which is 1:30 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. Okay, so first question answer done. Question 2. This time shows the journeys of 5 short flight. In column mention flight number, takeoff time, landing and duration the flight. So first we have to find out the duration time. Flight A 11:05 to 11:55, it means 11:55 and here is 11:05. So simple subtraction, 5 minus 5 it will be 0 and 5 minus 0 it will be 5. So here we can say 50 minutes. Flight B 9:20 to 9:52, 58, it means here is a 38 minute. 26 to 2:42, here is a 36 minute. 13 to 1:47, so 47 minus 3 is 44 minute. 6:12 to 6:52, it means 40 minute. Our first question, calculate the time from the first flight taking off to the last flight landing. So from here we have to find out which flight is the first taking off. Please note that here is not mentioned which one is daytime or night time, but we can consider our first flight, which is 9:20 a.m. Okay, this is the a.m. Next 11:05 it's also a.m. 2:06 become noon, it means p.m. This is p.m. and this is evening also p.m. So from here first flight 9:20 and landing 6:52, right? So how we calculate this one? Look, 9:20, once we add 45 minutes, we will go 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Here is how many time? let's say 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. here is a 2 hour, and 12 p.m. to 6 here is a 6 hour, total 8 hour. Okay, very simple. Now look, 6 p.m. to 6:52 here is a 52 minute. So ultimately 40 minute plus 52 minute, here is a 1 hour 32 minute. So 8 hour plus 1 hour 32 minute, it becomes 9 hours 32 minute. Considering considering 9:20 a.m. to 6:42 p.m. Okay, very simple. Next question, which flight has the shortest journey? Look, here shortest time is 36 minutes. It means flight C. Flight C has the shortest journey, 36 minutes. Next, which flight has the longest journey? Longest, it means 50 minutes. We can say flight A has the longest journey. Longest journey, which is 50 minutes. Okay, so number 2 done. Here is 3 things. First, we have to understand take off and landing and duration time, and then we have to find out the question solution. I hope you cleared this one.